Top 8 fruits diabetics should eat every day. Lower blood sugar. Think you can't enjoy fruits if you have diabetes? Think again. These 8 fruits could actually help you keep your blood sugar stable and improve your health. When you're managing diabetes, the foods you eat play a major role in keeping your blood sugar stable. But when it comes to fruits, many people feel confused. Are fruits good for diabetics? And if so, which ones won't cause unwanted blood sugar spikes? Managing diabetes doesn't mean you have to give up fruits entirely. In fact, some fruits are packed with nutrients that can help control blood sugar, boost your energy, and support your overall health. But not all fruits are created equal. So which ones should you choose? Stay tuned as we reveal the top 8 fruits diabetics should eat every day and why they're so good for you. 1. Apples. Apples are an excellent choice for anyone managing diabetes, and here's why. According to the American Diabetes Association, apples have a low glycemic index, GI, ranging from 32 to 38, and a glycemic load, GL, of about 4.7. These numbers mean apples release their natural sugars slowly into your bloodstream, helping to keep your blood sugar stable. One of the main reasons apples are so beneficial is their high fiber content. Fiber plays a crucial role in slowing digestion, which in turn prevents rapid spikes in blood sugar. The skin of the apple contains the highest amount of fiber, so eating the fruit unpeeled can maximize its benefits. This makes apples not just a convenient snack, but also a strategic choice for blood sugar management. Beyond fiber, apples are rich in antioxidants, like quercetin. This powerful compound may improve your cell's response to insulin, enhancing how efficiently your body uses glucose. For diabetics, this could mean better control over blood sugar levels and reduced risk of complications over time. Incorporating apples into your diet is easy and versatile. Enjoy them on their own as a quick snack, slice them into salads for added crunch, or pair them with a small handful of nuts for a balanced mix of fiber, healthy fats, and protein. You can also bake them with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a delicious diabetes-friendly dessert. However, like any food, portion control is important. Stick to 1 medium-sized apple per day to enjoy its benefits without overloading on natural sugars. Apples are a simple, tasty, and nutrient-packed addition to any diabetes management plan, proving that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. 2. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries are an incredible option for people managing diabetes. Their low glycemic index, GI, ranges from 28 to 40, meaning they cause only a small rise in blood sugar. The glycemic load, GL, for just half a cup of berries is also low, typically between 2 and 7.2. This makes them a smart, diabetes-friendly fruit choice. What makes berries so special? For starters, they're rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins. These compounds don't just give berries their vibrant colors, they also help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels after meals. This means your body can process glucose more effectively, reducing the risk of sudden spikes. Berries are also relatively low in carbohydrates, with about 21 grams per cup. This makes it easier to incorporate them into your diet without exceeding your daily carb allowance. Plus, their high fiber content slows digestion, keeping you feeling full and your blood sugar levels steady. How can you add berries to your daily routine? They're incredibly versatile. Sprinkle a handful over unsweetened yogurt for a satisfying breakfast or snack. Blend them into a low-carb smoothie for a refreshing drink. You can even enjoy them as a simple, guilt-free dessert. Pair them with a small portion of nuts or seeds to add healthy fats and protein, which further supports blood sugar control. Whether you prefer them fresh or frozen, berries are a delicious, nutrient-packed addition to your diabetes management plan. Just remember to stick to portion sizes of about half a cup to 1 cup to enjoy their benefits without overloading on natural sugars. 3. Kiwi. Kiwi might just be one of the most underrated fruits for diabetics. With its unique tangy sweet flavor, kiwi has a glycemic index, GI, of 50 and a glycemic load, GL, of 7.7, both considered low. This means kiwi won't cause drastic spikes in your blood sugar, making it an excellent choice for managing diabetes. One of the standout benefits of kiwi is its high vitamin C content. Just one medium-sized kiwi can provide more than 70% of your daily vitamin C needs. This powerful antioxidant plays a key role in reducing inflammation and improving your overall immunity. For diabetics, it's especially beneficial because inflammation can interfere with insulin function over time. Kiwi is also packed with dietary fiber. This helps slow down digestion and the release of sugar into your bloodstream, which is critical for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. The combination of vitamin C and fiber makes kiwi a nutrient-dense fruit that's as healthy as it is delicious. Adding kiwi to your diet is simple. You can slice it up and enjoy it as a refreshing snack, toss it into a fruit salad, or mix it with unsweetened yogurt for a quick breakfast. Kiwi also pairs wonderfully with other low GI fruits like berries for a colorful and satisfying dessert. Portion control is important though. Stick to one medium-sized kiwi per serving to keep your carbohydrate intake in check. Whether you enjoy it fresh or blended into a smoothie, kiwi is a vibrant and nutritious addition to a diabetes-friendly meal plan. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier life. Also, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons aren't just refreshing. They're a powerhouse of health benefits for people with diabetes. With a low glycemic index, GI, of around 43 for oranges and an even lower GI of 25 for grapefruit, these fruits provide natural sweetness without causing major blood sugar spikes. Their glycemic load, GL, is also impressively low, making them ideal for blood sugar control. One of the biggest advantages of citrus fruits is their high vitamin C content. This essential nutrient is not only great for boosting your immune system, but also helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are common concerns for diabetics. Additionally, citrus fruits contain flavonoids, natural compounds that support heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. This is especially important because diabetes significantly increases the risk of cardiovascular disease. Grapefruit, in particular, stands out with its GL of just 1.2 for half a cup of chopped fruit. However, if you're taking medications, consult your healthcare provider before adding grapefruit to your diet, as it can interact with certain drugs. Citrus fruits are versatile and easy to include in your meals. Enjoy an orange as a midday snack, or add grapefruit segments to a salad for a tangy twist. Squeeze fresh lemon or lime juice over your dishes to enhance flavor while reaping their health benefits. Just be mindful of portion sizes. Stick to one medium orange or half a grapefruit to keep your carbohydrate intake balanced. With their zesty flavors and impressive health benefits, citrus fruits are a delicious way to support your diabetes management plan while keeping your taste buds happy. 5. Avocados. You might not think of avocados as a typical fruit, but they're a standout option for diabetics. With a low glycemic index, GI, of about 40, and a glycemic load, GL, of just 1 for half a cup, avocados are not only safe but also incredibly beneficial for blood sugar control. Unlike most fruits, avocados are low in carbohydrates and rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which help stabilize blood sugar and keep you feeling full longer. One of the major perks of avocados is their heart health benefits. They are loaded with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and folate, a nutrient that supports cardiovascular health. Since people with diabetes are at a higher risk for heart issues, including avocados in your diet can be a smart move. Additionally, the fiber in avocados aids digestion and slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, further promoting stable blood sugar levels. The versatility of avocados makes them easy to enjoy. Mash them into guacamole, slice them onto whole grain toast, or add them to a salad for a creamy texture and a boost of nutrients. You can even blend avocados into smoothies to create a rich, velvety consistency. Just remember, moderation is key. Stick to about half an avocado per serving to manage calorie and fat intake. Avocados are not just a trendy food. They're a nutrient-packed addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Their unique combination of healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients makes them a top pick for anyone looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels while enjoying delicious and satisfying meals. 6. Apricots. Did you know that apricots could be your next best friend in managing blood sugar levels? With a glycemic index, GI, of just 34 and a glycemic load, GL, of 3.8, apricots are a great fruit to add to your diabetes-friendly diet. The beauty of these small orange fruits is that they are low in sugar and carbs, making them perfect for keeping your blood sugar in check. But what's even better is that apricots are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin A, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients not only support your overall health, but also provide benefits specifically for people with diabetes. Vitamin A helps maintain eye health, which is crucial for diabetics, as high blood sugar can sometimes cause vision problems. The fiber in apricots can aid digestion and keep you feeling full longer, preventing those hunger spikes that can lead to overeating or unhealthy snacking. Plus, antioxidants help fight inflammation and protect your cells, which is vital for managing diabetes long term. A single apricot contains just about 4 grams of carbohydrates, and since it's a whole fruit, it has minimal impact on your blood glucose levels. Eating it as part of a balanced diet means you don't have to worry about sharp spikes in your blood sugar. To incorporate apricots into your diet, try adding them to your morning oatmeal, tossing them in a salad for extra crunch, or even blending them into a smoothie for a sweet, refreshing treat. If you're looking for a great combination, pair apricots with some unsweetened Greek yogurt for a dose of protein that'll help keep your blood sugar stable. The key with apricots, like all fruits, is moderation. While they have a low GI and GL, it's important to stick to reasonable portion sizes. A few apricots a day can add a burst of flavor and nutrition to your diet without raising your blood sugar. 7. Peaches. When it comes to managing blood sugar levels, peaches are a delicious and nutritious choice. With a glycemic index, GI, of about 28 and a glycemic load, GL, of 3, peaches are considered a low glycemic fruit, meaning they have a minimal impact on your blood sugar. This makes them a fantastic option for diabetics looking to satisfy their sweet tooth without spiking their glucose levels. Peaches aren't just good for keeping blood sugar stable. They're packed with vitamins and minerals. Rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium, peaches offer powerful antioxidants that can support your immune system and help protect your body from inflammation. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy skin and eyes, while vitamin C boosts collagen production, keeping your skin and blood vessels strong. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, which is important for anyone, but especially for diabetics who may have a higher risk of hypertension. One of the standout benefits of peaches is their fiber content. Fiber plays a key role in regulating blood sugar because it slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, helping to prevent sudden spikes in glucose. The fiber also promotes healthy digestion and can help keep you feeling full for longer periods, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. To make the most of peaches in your diet, try slicing one up and adding it to your morning yogurt, mixing it into a smoothie, or simply enjoying it as a fresh snack. You can even pair peaches with a handful of nuts like almonds or walnuts for a healthy, balanced snack that provides protein and healthy fats to keep your blood sugar steady. 8. Cherries. If you're looking for a sweet treat that won't spike your blood sugar, cherries should be at the top of your list. With a glycemic index, GI, of just 22, cherries are considered a low GI fruit, meaning they have a minimal effect on your blood sugar levels. The glycemic load, GL, of cherries is also low, sitting at around 2.7 per serving, making them a safe choice for diabetics who want to satisfy their cravings without the worry of blood sugar spikes. Cherries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep red color. These antioxidants are powerful in fighting oxidative stress and reducing inflammation, 2 factors that can be elevated in people with diabetes and contribute to further health complications. By reducing inflammation and oxidative damage, cherries can help protect your body and improve overall health. The fiber in cherries also plays a key role in managing blood sugar. This can help keep your blood sugar levels more stable throughout the day, making it easier to manage diabetes. To make cherries a part of your daily routine, there are plenty of ways to enjoy them. You can simply eat them fresh, letting their natural sweetness curb your cravings. Another great idea is to add them to a homemade trail mix paired with nuts and seeds for a crunchy, satisfying snack. For a more refreshing option, freeze cherries and use them as a chilled topping for your morning cereal or as a cool addition to a water infusion. If you're feeling adventurous, try making a cherry salsa with some lime and mint for a flavorful twist that pairs perfectly with grilled veggies or fish. Cherries are not just delicious. They're a powerful ally in managing your blood sugar and boosting your overall health. Add them to your daily routine and enjoy all the benefits they bring to your diabetes management. So, there you have it. 8 delicious and diabetes-friendly fruits that can help you keep your blood sugar levels in check every day. From the nutrient-packed apricots to the antioxidant-rich cherries, these fruits not only satisfy your sweet cravings, but also provide key nutrients that support your overall health. By incorporating these fruits into your daily routine, you're taking a natural, delicious approach to managing your diabetes while enjoying every bite. Remember, it's all about balance. These fruits are low on the glycemic index and loaded with fiber and antioxidants, making them perfect for keeping your blood sugar stable throughout the day. Just be mindful of portion sizes, and as always, check with your healthcare provider to make sure they fit well into your personal health plan. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below. Let me know which fruit you're excited to try, or if you have any favorite fruit combos that help keep your blood sugar in check. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out more videos in the description below for more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.